Okay, the last thing I didn't mention is about adding page number. Since you worked on type, some of that here, column break earlier, I hope that it's perfect time to talk about how you can add page number automatically, okay? As you see, the cover page doesn't need a page number, and maybe page 2 and 3, that doesn't need a page number. By the way, I had this one earlier typed in something in here. But you can also bring this is the text box already, so selected it. And I have another one, honestly, another text that can go in here. See, it pops up. You can play with it. It looks ugly, but you can play using this T and using this character or this paragraph. You can make this one look better. And you can add another column, another text box here to add table of contents, right? And one thing I didn't have from what I have here versus in here is page number. Those 1, 2, 3 pages, I don't need page number, but starting page number 4, and all the way to maybe page 7, this main contents area, I do need page number. How you do it is actually assign, not individually typing in each of those in here. You can do it, but maybe what if you added more pages in there? It's not going to be working, right? So let's add it automatically. How you do is for those, when you see in these pages on here, on the top here, there's something goes in here with empty, has none there, a parent with the facing pages and happens to be on your actual pages, or has a at the corner. That means whatever changes I made it here were impacting all of those child pages too. So let's make that parent changed. That's how you can add your page number, and that special code will paste the actual page number on those corners. Okay, so what I do is click up there. Now it is now page 4 and 5. That's what I see. But let's double click on this a parent of left side. Double click. So now I have it. I cannot scroll up and down because this is actual parent, not actual page. Now I'm here, right? A parent is blue, not actual those numbers. So now I'm on this master page, parent page. On here, left side, that's left page. And on this bottom left corner, I want to add page number. And maybe I want to add not only that page number, let me show you bigger. Not only this page number, I also want to add maybe a seat of time or maybe my report or my name there, something like that. You can add it in this page. So in here, adding the text using that T type and make a T type tool and make a box there where I'm going to add page number and additional text in here. So this is blinking. So let me zoom in. So zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. So that's what I have it now. Oops. Oh, so I was holding supposed to be here. So my cursor is waiting to get the page number pop up. If I type in here 1, 2, it will be automatically popping up here, which I don't like it because here, I don't know is if I put it here. Let's say if I put page number 1 here in this corner and go back on outside, and what happened is actual page number 4, it shows page 1. Actual page 6, it says 1. Actual page number 2, it's kind of blocked in front of that. There's another picture not showing up, but actual page 4, it still shows as 1 because I added on a parent, the master page, put number 1. So not 1, 2, 3 is not what I'm supposed to add. I want a special code that will populate actual page number on actual page, right? So on here, what I need to do is type on the bottom. Earlier we exercised about break character, column break. Now let's go in here, special character, and I want to have a markers that has current page number. So I went through special marker which has current page number. Clicked. It says A. Okay, it's not number, but it's a placeholder for actual page number can go in. It's a special marker. And I want to have space to space. Maybe I can add slash slash and to space and want to put my name. It's my name. Okay, and hit outside. Let's see. Minus control 0 means I want to bring it out everywhere. This is what I have. And I want to have the same thing to this right corner, right? So I want to have it from here. What I can do is, let's do it another box. There is a shortcut. Let's do it maybe. Okay, by holding Alt key, Option key. See my cursor has changed from black to, oops, not this one, because I have to place it. Okay, doesn't matter. By holding Alt key or Option key, when you see that one popping up, maybe it's too much, I don't know. And bring it down to the right and then release my cursor first. Maybe it's too much because I know sometimes it doesn't work, depending on which one you release first. Okay, let's click that one. Control C, I copied it, or you can right click and make it Control C or copy. And then somewhere in here, right click, it will populate on the center of the thing, but paste. Control V, center, it was pasted it. Bringing that one to the corner, that's fine, right? Now let's go to here, click that, Control plus. Once I click then Control plus, it goes to that one only. And I want to have, not here my name, I want to have a file name. Maybe mine is Tampa, Florida, right? Florida, oops, FL, and after that, two space and slash two space. And this time I want to have this special character. So I want to get rid of that part. And here, after that, type special character markers from page number. Again, that's there, but I want to have this one all to the right align. So go to the here, paragraph formatting, make it right align, goes all the way to the right. Now get it out by hitting selection, click outside. Let's bring it back, Control 0. I put everything back. Now I added those two placeholder on a parent. Let's go to actual page number 4. It shows 4, my name, page number 5. Tampa, Florida, 5. 6, my name, 7. Tampa, Florida, page 7, right? But what if I don't want to having like in this one, I'm not going to add page number. I want to have big logo on here, having like a big humongous logo of that town. Bring it here. That's what I want to have. I don't want to have anything in bottom here. How I can get rid of this one? You can. This is following a master. That's why whatever I assign an A appearing in here. But from here, none. Click that none and click and drag on the page that I don't want to follow a master release. So that A goes away. At the same time, that goes away. Nothing in here. So probably A and this page number 1, 2, 3 is also need to follow nothing. So click on it, drag it, release. Click, drag it, release. Click, drag it, release. So only that A appears on 4, 5, 6, and 7 pages. So this is all I have.